Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. Let's look at the headlines. Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek favors railway heads in Meghalaya. Track and Field Athletic Stadium inaugurated in Tura ahead of Meghalaya Games. Stage set for 5th Meghalaya Games scheduled to be opened by President of India. A.L. Hek downplays Congress Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, asks Grand Old Party not to politicize Ram Mandir inauguration. Cold wave continues to grip the country. Many places records minimum temperatures of 3 degrees Celsius today. Now let's look at the news in detail. Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Hek favors the introduction of railways to Khasi and Jaintia Hills. He told reporters that development will come to Meghalaya through railways and hence he wants goods train, passenger train or even toy trains in Meghalaya which can contribute to the development of the state. The work of Tetelia-Bharnihat railway project has remained stalled for the past many years due to opposition from the pressure groups. They want the government to first put in place a mechanism to check the influx of illegal immigrants before introducing railways.
The development should come. The train should come, whether it's a good train or toy train or the passenger train, it should come for the development of the states. But my opinion is very clear. We want development for the state of Meghalaya. We want employment for the state of Meghalaya. We want resources, revenue for the state of Meghalaya.
Cabinet Minister Alexander Lalu Hek has asked the New-Trep National Liberation Council and the government, both state and central, to be flexible to bring the peace talks back on track. He said peace has to prevail in Meghalaya at any cost. The HNLC recently announced its decision to withdraw from the tripartite peace talks with the centre and the state, alleging their core demands are not being addressed.
Talk about the development. The peace has to prevail in the state of Meghalaya at any cost. If the peace is there, then always the development also will be there. So that's why I also appeal to our friends to come to the peace talk across the table, to talk for peace for the development of the states and for the benefit, for all-round benefit of the people of the state of Meghalaya.
The Pathogan Ningmanja Sangma Athletic Stadium was inaugurated in Tura on Friday. The stadium has been named after the freedom fighter Pathogan Sangma. The state-of-the-art facility stadium has been constructed at a cost of Rs 16.02 crores. The inauguration ceremony saw the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other dignitaries. The stadium, equipped with an 8-lane synthetic athletic track meeting international standards and an administrative block, is dedicated to fostering athletic excellence and nurturing the aspirations of the budding champions. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Sangma said that the impact of this infrastructure goes beyond medals and victories, and the Meghalaya government is investing in grassroots sports with over 200 new infrastructures at an estimated cost of Rs 500 crore.
We know you all are hungry, starving, but
just to share with all of you that there is a second phase for this project. So in the second phase, we are expecting to put up a full gallery out there with certain shops and certain areas for rooms and facilities so that this place can be used for many other programs, and not just sports programs, but even if possible, if the technology and the rules allow, then even other events in the long run, so that we can get the maximum utility from the infrastructure and the investments that have been made in this particular place.
The stage is set for the grand opening of the 5th Meghalaya Games, scheduled to be held in Tura, as this mega event will officially kick off on January 15th in the presence of the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, the Chairman of the Games Technical Conduct Committee and Working President of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, John F. Karshing, while speaking to DD News, said that several authorities are making tireless efforts to make this annual event a grand success. Pointing out that the Games will have 22 disciplines, he added that more than 3,000 athletes are preparing to showcase their diverse talents in the event.
As of today, as you all know, we are having 23 sports and spread across the city of Tura. And as you can see, we are now here at the APS Sangma Stadium. This is where the opening ceremony will be held, and possibly the finals and the semi-finals, which is yet to be discussed. We also have, almost all districts participating. So this is the games format where participation comes from the games from the districts.
And BJP leader A.L. Hek has mocked the Congress's Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. It may be mentioned that Congress is planning to start its Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra from Imphal later this month, and the yatra will continue till Mumbai. Hek also criticized Congress for boycotting the inauguration of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, saying inauguration of temples, mosques and churches is a normal thing and there is nothing wrong in it. He accused the Congress of playing politics by not attending the inaugural function of Ram Mandir.
Yatra or Purana Naya Jodo Yatra, but should not be making letra. There's nothing to affect to BJP. BJP is going to win in all the seats in MP elections.
We will now take a short break.
International Water Conclave Shillong 2024. Join us in Shillong for a groundbreaking event aimed at collectively addressing water issues in hilly regions. 9th and 10th February 2024. Dive into the pre-conclave excitement by participating in the following exciting events: PSA video contest, nature and nurture quiz, slogan writing, painting, short video contest on best practices in water conservation, water recycling, rejuvenation and water user efficiency, and hackathon. Exciting prizes await. Generous prize money. Recognition for innovative solutions. For details, visit iwcshillong.org or write to us at iwcshillong24@gmail.com. Be part of the change. Set the tone for a water-conscious future.
Welcome back to the news. In the ongoing chilling winter across the country, many parts of the country have recorded a minimum temperature of 3 degrees Celsius today. The Indian Meteorological Department, or IMD, has declared it as the lowest temperature of the season. Dense to very dense fog was also observed in many parts of the country this morning. Several flight operations were delayed at Delhi Airport due to low visibility amidst the fog. IMD has forecast that dense to very dense fog conditions will continue to prevail over North India for the next 4 to 5 days. Members of the Hinutrep National Youth Movement have urged the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District to intervene and address the alarming pollution levels in Bernihat, which is posing potential health hazards to the residents of the area. Recent data released by the Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air highlighted that Bernihat urban area is amongst the highest polluted areas due to the presence of industrial estates. The group handed over a memorandum to the district administration requesting his intervention to address the deteriorating air quality in Bernihat.
Niskuntu baka jingbun ciki factory hapo Bernihat kalong haduk ata nama balai ka dalam baka jingbun ciki factory kiba peni ya kanikal air jakya te hadin bangilawan kendu mentan ya i additional DC nakaliang ka jong i ila priang ya ka complain ya ka letter complain ka jongi ila ong ba in forward ya ketika complain ya ketika letter complain ka jongi sya ka state pollution control board tina kaliang ka jongi ngi kermen baka ne ka complain ka jongi ka letter ka bangilawan bu ha po ha i additional DC kanamlong ka ba ja kendong ne kanamlong ka ba kaban putno tang mata ka sneakerman ba what ka state pollution control board ro kan simkia ba de bakani.
The festival of harvest, Lohri, is being celebrated today in North India, especially in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Jammu and Chandigarh. Lohri marks the end of the long nights of winter and welcomes the longer days of summer as the sun begins its journey to the northern hemisphere. Lohri is celebrated with a bonfire. The festival is mostly associated with crop harvesting and happiness. The 5th Zonal Youth Convention of Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement, Zone 6, commenced at Umden Parish. The flag of the Zonal Youth Convention was raised by Meral Bon Siem, the MLA of Nongpo constituency, amidst the presence of enthusiastic youths representing various churches within Zone 6 of the Shillong Archdiocese. The convention witnessed active participation from youths belonging to 5 parishes, including Nongpo Parish, Kadhor Parish, Bernihat Parish, Umden Parish and Umsiang Parish. This event marks a significant annual gathering of youth in the convention.
Kini kilai teli kijinglong jong uding kedar. Kijinglong kaba udon. Uding bae kumut bagi scam ya kijingmut kijing perkhat bagi long ketin pareng yang gibolong firm. Sisin bagi larai hot means hot. Sisin bagi yang m. Ngi scam ya kijingmut. Ngamaratin banong bagi nong yalam jong keseng samla. Umden parish bat kumju urhaga zone hi baro kawe. Kadai kajing long firm kajing ki, kajing scam jingmut kajing ki. Nong yalam ba pilong kumni kumba pilong. Pilong firm in your stand ong ketin pareng. Ini ban scam hagano kanong rim kabengingi yang.
The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Garo Hills unit celebrated the 161st birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, which also happens to be the National Youth Day, by organizing various events across the different units of the district. In Ampati and in Bakmara, the ABVP organized a marathon for the youth in which more than 200 participants participated. Similarly, other events were also organized in other units. Now let's have a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in Shillong today stood at 18.4 degrees Celsius with a minimum of 6.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 50% and in the evening was 53%. The forecast tomorrow is most likely dry weather in Shillong and its adjoining areas. Before we end, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek favors railway heads in Meghalaya. Track and Field Athletic Stadium inaugurated in Tura ahead of Meghalaya Games. Stage set for 5th Meghalaya Games scheduled to be opened by President of India. A.L. Hek downplays Congress Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, asks Grand Old Party not to politicize Ram Mandir inauguration. Cold wave continues to grip the country. Many places records minimum temperature of 3 degrees Celsius today. And that's all we have for today. Until next time, thank you and have a good night.